What's up, BSG? So, you join me in the process of, we got the doggone Audi, man, rolling, man. Well, the dealer got it rolling, man. So, it seemed to have an issue with the fuel. Air was in the line. So, yeah, now we taking this car back to where we had it, so that we can finish putting it together. We riding around here, the bumper off of it, and people looking at us like we crazy. So, hey, hold on, let me wipe that off there. Yeah, so just enjoy the ride, man. Here we go. So guys, we done got to right here, about to pull up to our location where we going. So it was an enjoyable ride, but now it's time to get to business. Our warehouse and Boss Hog in the building. Brother looking at me like I'm great, but going back to his old home for a few days. So let's get to business. We're gonna get this bumper on, and we're gonna call it a day, man, because it's been a long day already. So, and it's getting hot. So I just need to get this bumper on, and then anything else I need to do, I'll do back at home. All right. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got the bumper partially on. We're gonna snap it in around here in a few seconds, but I want to get these screws on first because I kind of damn lost 2 of them. Well, I didn't lose them, they dropped off. So
same thing.
I'm trying to make sure that
this gonna fit.
yeah.
That pink color off.
A little bit. Very little.
Shit, what you mean very little?
Yeah. So I can fix it.
Because that newer paint was that older paint.
Nah, I don't think you got the right paint coat.
We gave him P5.
Yeah. Yeah, but did he get P5?
That don't look right.
Yeah.
It's 2 different tones of color.
You can call your boy. Tell me that. Paint coat right now. Here go these pins when they got some, when they got some new ones. So we should be good on that part.
Bring up there today. Ooh, man. Right. How you doing, sir? Hey, who's putting his bumper back on, and who wanted to ask you, are you sure that was P5 you got? Cause it's painted, it's this bumper, its colors are off as hell. That was P5, that real. Yeah. Light as hell. Yeah. Darrell?
Yeah.
He said if you want to buy some more, he'd do it, but don't know if it's gonna be any different. Okay. Yes, sir, Mr. Ray. All right. All right. He said you go to the paint shop and look it up and see the difference or whatever. He said, but if you want to go get it, he said that's what he got was P5. He said, but if you want to go get it,
I'm gonna look in the back of this trunk somewhere and make sure that the code is the code.
yeah. Cause it ain't shit for him to paint it. He do it right quick. It's easy.
Man,
Got everything.
So, I don't know if I'm about to pull this back off, but the doggone plug for the light is down in there. So I gotta see what I can do here. If I can find this thing. All the way down here. Oh boy.
Let's see.
Nope.
You can't push it up. I can try to grab it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do something, but I can't. So guys, so I gave the guy the wrong paint code, so I'm going to take it back to him so he can repaint this. Yeah, I was going off of what the other guy told me it was, so evidently he was fucking wrong. So yeah, so we'll take it back to him, let him paint this thing back again, and we'll be in business. Yep. So I think right now that's gonna be it for this video. So the next time y'all see this thing here, we're gonna be working with the front end. We're gonna be working with the fog lights and the emblem that she wants put on. So, and then I gotta clean this car out, and that'll be it. So one more video and we'll be done, y'all. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and thank y'all for watching. Peace. We're gonna see y'all on the next one.